Today we are dealing with radicals. A radical expression is an expression that contains a radical sign. And if you notice over here, this is a radical sign. The expression under the radical sign is called the radicand. See right here, underneath, radicand. The number n in the crook of the radical sign is called the index. You look right here, this n is the index. The index gives the degree of the root. If there is no index, the degree is 2, which means square root. You most likely have heard this before. If the nth root of a is a real number and m and n are positive integers, then a to the power of m divided by n is equal to the nth root of a to the power of m. So all we're doing today, this looks very complicated, is we're just switching it around to where it goes from this form to this form. This form right here is called exponential form. This is what we've been dealing with lately. This form is called radical form. We're just going to practice today going from one to the other. So for example, it says write x to the power of 2 divided by 5 in radical form. Right now it's in exponential form. We have to take it to this form, which means we have a radical symbol, okay? From here, notice the base stays the same. We didn't change the base. The a and the a are the base. So here our base is x, so inside our radicand is our x. Our fraction turns into our index and our exponent. The numerator becomes the exponent. So here r2 is our numerator. It's going to become our exponent. The denominator, the n, becomes our index. Our denominator is 5, so our index, our little number right here, is 5. Notice the number is right here in that crease, not out front. Now in this example, example 2, we're going to go the other way. We're taking this from radical form and going to exponential form, which looks like this. So once again, we have our base. Our base is x, so our base is going to be x here. From there, we're going to create a fractional exponent, where our numerator comes from the exponent, ours is 4, and our denominator comes from the index, ours is 3. We make sure we can't simplify 4 over 3. We cannot, so that is our answer.